Hey Wolfpack, this video will show you how to report external scholarships on the new MyPack Portal. First, log into your MyPack Portal and navigate to the student homepage. Click the Financial Aid tile on the student homepage. After selecting the appropriate financial aid year, click on the Scholarships and Fellowships folder on the left side of the screen. Select Report External Scholarship from the drop-down menu. Review the information, then click the green Report a Scholarship button. Fill out all of the required information indicated by asterisks and the supplementary information as necessary. Read over the privacy release before checking the box next to I accept. When you are ready, click the green Submit button. We hope this tutorial has helped you navigate the new MyPack. If you have any questions, please visit the Student Services Center website for more information. Thanks for watching.